we aren't ones to brag, but with a trophy cabinet ready to rip at the seams, the KTM 450 SX-F is the epitome of a podium hunter. With 5 AMA 450 supercross titles in the last 7 seasons, the 2024 KTM 450 SX-F rolls into the pit. Already armed with the learnings of past championships, it's time to extend the trophy room, boasting accolades as the most technologically advanced motocross range available. The KTM SX-F stable is built to dominate, with advancements such as launch control, traction control, and a Quickshifter as standard very few machines can keep up. Following the introduction of the completely renewed 2023 KTM SX range, the 2024 KTM motocross range lines up at the gate with reworked suspension settings and a fresh new look. Sleeker, slimmer, and engineered to provide riders with unmatched levels of control, the 2023 KTM SX range of motocross superiority shot onto the podium as the most innovative and highest performing ready-to-race production motocross machines ever built. As a recap, the 2023 KTM SX range debuted a completely redesigned chassis built around a hydroformed, laser-cut and robot-welded frame, a 2-piece polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe, and a hollow die-cast aluminum swingarm. Designed and constructed with specifically calculated parameters of longitudinal and torsional flex, the frame provides exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability at speed. For 2024, the KTM SX and SX-F range retains these advancements, with the addition of renewed suspension settings focused on improving bike balance and comfort. These improvements are also significantly noticeable when it comes to cornering agility. At the rear, a WPX-ACT rear shock provides advanced damping characteristics for unsurpassed traction and energy absorption, while up front, the 48mm WPX-ACT front fork provides improved bottoming out resistance and damping, and allows the fork to stay lower and more planted on initial acceleration after a hard landing. Ergonomically, the 2024 KTM SX and SX-F range retains a best-in-class rider triangle, resulting in exceptional knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs. This, along with added contact surfaces on the bodywork and a flat seat profile, improves overall handling, agility, and confidence. Above the surface, an all-new graphics set takes center stage, which, like the previous year, takes inspiration from the early 1990s. The designers of the 2024 CTG used purple as a highlight color, as a nod to when purple was a predominant hue in the KTM signature styling. However, orange and white tones still dominate the overall look and are applied using time-proven in-mold technology. The 2024 KTM SX range boasts totally tool-free suspension setup at both ends, thanks to the shock absorber design featuring hand-adjustable dual compression control. It allows riders to adjust high and low speed settings in a matter of seconds. On the front end, the forks are also easily adjusted thanks to a single air pressure preload valve, as well as through easy-access click adjusters for compression and rebound. We'll even throw the air pump in as standard. Designed to provide maximum airflow, the air filter box has precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation and maintaining filter protection. The twin air filter and air filter support design feature a simple fail-proof mounting system for secure and accurate filter installation, ensuring the air filter is easily accessed without tools by removing the left side panel for easy trackside maintenance. A vented air filter box cover is also included for all SX and SX-F models in the BiPAC. The 2024 KTM SX and SX-F range is engineered and designed to provide riders with easy-to-access service parts, as well as suspension adjustability. This allows faster trackside and off-season maintenance, as well as making motocross more accessible for novice riders without pit crews. When the war drums sound and the gate drops, you need to be the first off the line in a bid to rule the roost. The 2024 KTM 450 SX-F boasts one of the most powerful 4-stroke power plants in the pits, with its SOHC engine proving to be the perfect example of advanced engineering with massive power in a light package. You'll leave the competition with more than a little mud on the face. Designed for the whole shot, The 2024 KTM SX-F range comes standard with launch control and a quickshifter function, allowing for fast upshifts without using the clutch. Launch control is easily engaged by pressing the traction control and quickshifter buttons simultaneously, and works by limiting the amount of power to the rear wheel, improving traction and preventing loss of control under hard acceleration. Meanwhile, the quickshifter function means you can bang through from second to fifth gear with your focus solely on the first corner. No matter how gnarly the track is, you'll find complete confidence thanks to the frame design that has not only been engineered for longitudinal rigidity, but also repositions rotating mass closer to the center of gravity. The shock mounting also provides improved anti-squat behavior for better traction out of corners, while the foot peg mounting position has moved inwards for less risk of hooking up in deep ruts or when scrubbing jumps.